Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan with some great exterior features that include 17-inch wheels. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you've got black leather interior. This Caravan also comes equipped with power seat adjustments. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our hands-free calling, on the right you have your cruise. This Caravan comes with 83,000 kilometers. Over in the middle here you have your AM/FM radio. You also have a backup camera. Right below that we have our dual zone climate controls up front, followed by your heated steering wheel and your heated seat buttons. Down in this compartment here you have a couple of outlets as well. Taking a look at the second row seats, you have storage pouches in each of the seat backs. We also have a third set of climate controls in the headliner. For access to the third row, all you have to do is lift up on this tab here, and the seat will fold forward. This Caravan also comes equipped with a power liftgate. Once that's open, you can see we still have a ton of storage space with the third row seats folded up, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the third row easily folds down. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan with some great interior features that include heated seats, tri-zone climate controls, and a heated steering wheel. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.